Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee and I'm back with an incoming swap. This was the swap where you'll remember that I sent out the library pockets with the sequins mixes. Well, my partner has sent hers to me, so I'm really excited. Her name is Anna and this was from Craft Swapping Sisterhood, which the link to the group will be below. And then I've reached out to Anna to see if she has any social media that I can link, and I haven't heard back from her yet. But if she does reply and let me know, I will put that in the description section as well. The other thing about this swap is that I received 2 swaps in the same day, and my husband thought he was helping me, and he opened them and put them all in a bag downstairs so I can take them up, and everything got kind of mixed up. So I got another swap. I think I've got it right. I think this was from Anna, and I think this was from Lena, which I'll open in another video. But sorry guys if it got mixed up. It was a total accident. And he meant well. He felt so bad. I'm like, oh no. Okay, so let's open up. Let's start with this first because it's already opened, and look how cute these are. These are little boxes that she made, and she put bows in them, and look how gorgeous that bow is, you guys. And they're on a ring binder, so there's 3 of them. And then there's this one. Super pretty. And then this one. Oh my gosh, these are just beautiful. I love them. I love these boxes. And then in here we have the library pockets. Let me move this out of the way. So here's the library pockets, and she did them really nicely in like a waterfall type packaging. So she has this gorgeous charm, and then she did a doily at the top. So let's open the first one. Here, I'll open it over here. These are like so thick and sturdy. So here's the first one, and it says, I have everything right here. It's a beautiful navy and white and gold. Oh, and she stitched her her sequin mix. How nice. And then inside she has pretty tags. One says tweet, blooming, and then just like a little journal card. So nice. And then here's what the rest of the library pocket looks like. Very nice. Love it. It's so pretty. Then we have, put this to the side over here. I'm going to take all these off right now. Okay, so the next one we have is this. Oh, pretty. So it says Wonderful You, and then it has a cute charm, and it says hello with he, she beads and some pretty trim. And then again, she stitched her, oh, these are diamond dots. How cool. I love that idea. So instead of doing a sequin mix, she did a diamond dots mix. That is so cool. And then she stitched it closed. And then it says Wonderful You. That is so pretty. And look at how beautiful the flower is and everything's stitched. I love the gold. And then here's what the back looks like. Very, very nice. I want to try to, I should sit them up. Hold on. So you can see them as we go. There we go. Oh no, it fell. Okay, I give up. And then, let's see, here's the next one right here. Once again, we have a gorgeous tassel with beautiful trim. And then we have these pretty leaf beads. And then It says so fun. And then inside we have our mix. And here's what the back looks like. And we'll look at our mix. Oh, these are such pretty colors. Look at that. So pretty. I love that mix. That's gorgeous. I wonder what paper that is. So pretty. And then finally we have this one. Oh, this is so sweet. And look, she has another charm. And then, oh my gosh, I love this. I love this right here. This super shiny gold, like ribbon. It's so pretty. So she's got a ribbon tassel and a cute little candy bead. And then let's see what the front says. It says, true friends are the ones that lift you up when no one else has noticed you've fallen. That is awesome. I love that. Look how pretty that is, those pink flowers. And then we have this beautiful mix here. Gorgeous. She's so fancy sewing it closed. And then inside, we'll look at the back first real quick. Pretty polka dot paper. Of course, she did all the stitching there. And then we have some pretty tags. What does this one say? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Portrait, landscape, and architectural photographer, C. Mitchell. That's cool. It's like an ad for a photographer. And then we have this beautiful rose. So yeah, that was my, that was the library pocket swap with the sequins mix. So I had so much fun doing that swap. It was so fun. So thank you, Anna, if you watch this. And like I said, guys, check the description section to see if she has a YouTube channel or an Instagram, because I will definitely link it below, and I will link the group below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.